Hello everyone, welcome to SRG Technical YouTube channel. In previous lecture video, we have seen about 5th semester teaching and examination scheme of Diploma Electrical Engineering 5th semester. There are 5 courses in 5th semester. Among them, now we will going to learn about course Energy Conservation and Audit, having course code 22525, Energy Conservation and Audit. This is MSBT suggested specification table for question paper design. Suggested specification table for question paper design. Energy conservation audit consists 5 unit. Unit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us see distribution of theory marks of each course one by one. Each unit one by one. First unit is energy conservation basic. Unit title energy conservation basics. Teaching hours weekly 2 lectures and important distribution of theory marks. R level, U level, A level. This is the legends of R stands for remember, U stands for understand, and A apply and above. Bloom's revised taxonomy. Okay. For remember of unit number 1 energy conservation basics having 2 marks, understanding level 2 marks, and apply and above level 4 marks. Total marks is 8 marks for unit number 1 energy conservation basics. Then unit number 2 energy conservation in electrical machines having teaching hours 12. Okay, for second unit energy conservation in electrical machines, remember level 2 marks, understanding level 4 marks, apply and above level 8 marks. Okay, maximum mark is for apply and above levels. Total marks is 14. Total marks is 14. Okay. Third unit energy conservation in electrical installation system. Energy conservation in electrical installation system having 12 teaching hours. For unit number 3 there is R level means remember level have 0 marks, understanding level 8 marks, and apply and above levels 8 marks. Total third unit is 16 marks. Okay, unit number 4 energy conservation through cogeneration and tariff. Energy conservation through cogeneration and tariff. Teaching hours weekly 11, total teaching hours 11. For remember level 4 marks, understanding level 4 marks, and apply and above level 8 marks. Total marks 16. Unit number 4 have 16 marks. Then last unit number 5 energy audition of electrical system. Energy audit of electrical system. Teaching hours is 11. For remember level 4 marks, understanding level 4 marks, and apply and above levels 8 marks. Okay, total marks is 16. Okay, one should understand there is a maximum marks for understand and above level. Okay, total this course stands theory for 70 marks. Okay, here is the legends. R means remember, U means understand, A stands for apply and above. Okay, next let us see discussion about unit number 1 topics and subtopics. Unit number 1 energy conservation basics. Topics and subtopics of unit number 1.1 energy scenario, primary and secondary energy demand and supply, national scenario. 1.2 energy conservation and energy audit concepts and differences. 1.3 Energy Conservation Act 2001, relevant causes of energy conservation. 1.4 BEE and its roles. 1.5 MEDA and its roles. 1.6 star labeling need and its benefits. Okay, these topics contained in unit number 4 energy conservation basics. Okay, unit number 2 energy conservation in electrical machines, energy conservation in electrical machines. Topics and subtopics of unit number 2, 2.1, need for energy conservation in induction motor and transformer. Need for energy conservation in induction motor and transformer. 2.2, energy conservation techniques in induction motor by 2.2, energy conservation techniques in induction motor by improving power quality, motor survey, matching motor with loading, minimizing the idle and redundant running of motor, operating in star mode, rewinding of motor, replacement by energy efficient motor, in that periodic maintenance. 2.3, energy conservation techniques in transformer, loading, loading sharing, parallel operation, isolating techniques, replacement by energy efficient transformer, periodic maintenance. 2.4, energy conservation techniques, energy conservation equipments, soft starter, automatic star delta converter, variable frequency drives, automatic PF controller APFC, intelligent PF controller IPFC, active harmonic filters AHF. In unit number 2, there is a topic 2.5, energy efficient motor, significant features, advantages, applications and limitations. 2.6, energy efficient transformer, amorphous transformer, epoxy resin cast transformer, dry type of transformer. Okay, next, unit number 3, energy conservation in electrical installation system. Unit number 3, energy conservation in electrical system. In unit number 3, there is topic and subtopic containing 3.1, aggregated technical and commercial losses, ATC, aggregated technical and commercial losses, power system at state, regional, national and global levels. 3.2, technical losses, causes and measures to reduce by controlling I square R losses, optimizing distribution voltage, balancing phase current, compensating reactive power flow, commercial losses, pilferage, causes and remedies. Okay, then subtopic 3.4, energy conservation equipments, maximum demand controller, KVAR controller, automatic power factor controller APFC. 3.5, energy conservation in lighting system, energy conservation in lighting system, replacing lamp sources, using energy efficient luminaries, using light controlled gears, installation of separate transformers, servo stabilizers for lighting, installation of separate transformers slash servo stabilizers for lighting. Point number E, periodic survey and adequate maintenance program, periodic survey and adequate maintenance program. 3.6, energy conservation techniques in fans, electronic regulators, energy conservation techniques in fans, electronic regulators. These are the topics and subtopics of unit number 3. Okay, next, unit number 4, energy conservation through cogeneration and tariff, energy conservation through cogeneration and tariff. Topics and subtopics of energy conservation through cogeneration and tariff. 4.1, cogeneration and tariff concepts, significance of energy conservation. 4.2, cogeneration. Point number A, types of cogeneration on basis of sequence of energy use, topping cycle, bottoming cycle. Point number B, types of cogeneration, basics of technology, steam turbine generation, gas turbine cogeneration, reciprocating engine cogeneration. Point number C, factors governing the selection of cogeneration system. And point number D, advantages of cogeneration. 4.3, tariff. Point number A, types of tariff structure, LT and HT, special tariffs, time of day tariffs, peak of day tariff, power factor tariff, maximum demand tariff, load factor tariff, and availability based tariff, ABT, availability based tariff. In unit number 4, there is a point subtopic 4.4, application of tariff system to reduce energy bill, application of tariff system to reduce energy bill. Okay, Last unit, unit number 5, energy audit of electrical systems. Unit number 5, energy audit of electrical systems. The subtopics of last unit, unit number 5, 5.1, energy audit definition as per Energy Conservation Act, specific energy consumption. 5.2, energy audit instruments and their use. Questionnaires for energy audit projects. Energy flow diagram, Sankey diagram, simple payback period, energy audit procedure, walkthrough audit and detailed audit. 5.6, energy audit report format. Energy audit report format. These are the topics and subtopics of each unit containing in energy conservation audit course. Okay, this is the teaching and examination scheme for course energy conservation and audit. Okay, teaching scheme, lectures 3 weekly. There is no tutorial for this course. Practical 2 hours weekly. Total credits goes to ECA 5. Theory paper hours 3. End semester examination maximum 70 marks, minimum 28 marks. Progressive assessment of for theory maximum marks 30, minimum 0. Total maximum marks 100, minimum marks 40. And in examination scheme for practical, end semester examination maximum marks 25 hash indicates this is the external oral practical subject course, minimum marks 10. Progressive assessment for practical maximum marks 25, minimum 10. Total maximum marks 50 and minimum 20. Okay, this is about syllabus or topics. In subtopics we have discussed about energy conservation and audit. Keep watching SRJ Technical. Thank you.